Damn, I already hit record. Eat the wasabi. Eat the wasabi. Eat the wasabi. Come on, eat the wasabi. Eat the wasabi. It's right by foot. Oh, you're one badass motherfucker. Eat that wasabi.
Bird's like, fuck.
It doesn't know what to do.
It's like, I never had spicy before.
It's like, look at him, he doesn't know what to do.
He's like, fuck.
Dude, if we make him puke, that'd be all. He's trying to eat some grass, trying to make it cool down. He doesn't know what to do. He's eating some grass, trying to cool down. That's some spicy ass shit.
He's like, motherfucker, I don't like that shit anymore.
He doesn't know what to do. He's eating grass, trying to fucking cool down. He's swallowing. He's constantly swallowing. Puke, puke, puke. If I can get him to puke on camera, he's gonna get a lot of views. What? No. Like, whoa. You know how to me some of yours, man?
There you go.
Merry Christmas. He goes back, eats more wasabi.